Hi, this is Chase with Modern Exterior. I'm in Mukwonago, Wisconsin today, and I just quickly wanted to go over Mansard Roofs with you guys. This is a roof style that we come across from time to time. We more or less see it on a lot of commercial properties such as apartments, but this house is a residential property. It's a quite large building with a very unique roofing style. This roofing style was popular in the mid to late 70s. The nice thing about it is there's a few different options you have when choosing what to do with the mansards. Because you could either shingle like we are doing here for this customer. He's had shingles on it the whole time he's owned the property. But you could also put siding here, which is pretty neat. So you could do, a vinyl siding, an LP siding. You could do, pretty much the options are pretty limitless when it comes to these. But obviously the customer wanted to stick with what he's had, the whole lifespan of the roof here, or the property. So he wanted to stick with a new roof. So as you can see, we're still in the process of shingling it. A lot more to go still. We still have to do the whole top. But overall, everything's going quite smoothly. So